Here I have DOOGEE V30, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly you should open contacts, tap skip, then go to fix and manage section, select import from SIM, select import contacts from, so in our case it's just from SIM card. Then you can select which contacts you want to import, so by default they selected all. Then tap import, and after that these contacts will appear on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.